Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Legends of East and West. Today, we're diving into the fascinating story of Japan's transformation from a feudal society to a global empire between 1868 and 1945. This period begins with the Meiji Restoration, which marked the end of the Tokugawa shogunate and the rise of Emperor Meiji. Under his leadership, Japan rapidly modernized by adopting Western technology, education systems, and military strategies. Industrialization surged, and Japan established a constitutional monarchy in 1889, laying the foundation for its future as a major world power. Japan's ambitions soon led it into conflicts that would shape its destiny. The First Sino-Japanese War of 1894–1895 resulted in Japan's victory over China and the acquisition of Taiwan. In 1904, the Russo-Japanese War further solidified Japan's status as a global power, leading to its annexation of Korea in 1910. During World War I, Japan expanded its influence, securing German-held territories in China. However, the economic turmoil of the 1920s and the Great Depression of the 1930s fueled the rise of militarism. This shift in power led to the Manchurian Incident of 1931, where Japan occupied Manchuria and established the puppet state of Manchukuo. Japan's increasing defiance of international norms was marked by its withdrawal from the League of Nations in 1933. The Second Sino-Japanese War erupted in 1937 following the Marco Polo Bridge incident, escalating Japan's aggressive expansion into China. The occupation of Nanjing became infamous for its atrocities, cementing Japan's reputation as a ruthless imperial power. In 1940, Japan allied with Nazi Germany and Fascist Italy through the Tripartite Pact. By 1941, Japan launched its surprise attack on Pearl Harbor, marking its entry into World War II and the beginning of its rapid conquest of Southeast Asia. However, the tide turned with the Battle of Midway in 1942, and Japan's fortunes began to decline. The final chapter of Japan's imperial ambitions came in 1945 with the atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, which forced Japan to surrender unconditionally on August 15, 1945. This marked the end of the Japanese Empire and the beginning of a new era. Despite its imperial collapse, Japan underwent a remarkable transformation into a peaceful, democratic nation in the post-war years. Thank you for joining me on this journey through one of the most transformative periods in Japan's history. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories from the Legends of East and West.